Today is day 2 for the Femca Taiwan 2023. So here is Futaba. So Futaba sent the people come here to serve the people who use Futaba. The small kit for the driver. There's our SAVOX driver, Andy Chen. And here is the graduation. There's a Femca poster, so SAVOX as the sponsor for it. Then I will show you the check. There's a SAVOX poster, and here is the check-in area. All the car need to check in here. Right now it's a warm up for the engine. So there will be the 2 minutes warm up for race. Here's the area to add the fuel. So this time it's around 140 drivers to join this game. So here is a table for the drivers. Here is the engine start area to prepare for the next race.